You, Mrs. Freeland's back again. So I know that you are really getting to be stronger readers, and word families are really helping you. Using the pictures are really helping you. So I'm going to give you another strategy today that's going to help you even more. Sometimes, boys and girls, when readers start to read, they look for word parts, but then they use the front of the word and they forget to read through the whole word. And a lot of words start with the same letters. So we can't just use the beginning of the word. We have to look at the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, and the end of the word, and think about what makes sense for that word to be, and use our letter sounds to try and think about what is the correct sound and what words have that sound that might make sense. So boys and girls, today I'm going to read to you a book called The Jacket I Wear in the Snow. And I've got a few words covered up, and I think it's going to snow soon. So maybe not too soon, but it depends when you watch this video, right? We're going to figure out the words that are hidden in here, and we're going to look at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the word. So we need to go this way across when we're reading, from our left to our right, to make sure we see the beginning, the middle, and end. So this is the jacket I wear in the snow. Here we go. This is let's sound this word out. Jacket. Jacket. Jacket I wear in the snow. Boys and girls, do you see how I sounded it out and I used my word parts to see what made sense? Let's go to the next page. I've got a few more words hidden for you. Let's see if we can figure them out. This is what do you think this is? Oh, I'm going to look at the first sound. Zip. Oh, does it sound like zip? Or I need to finish the word, don't I? Beginning, middle, end. Zipper. The zipper that's stuck on the jacket I wear in the snow. Here's another one hidden for you. Now remember, we're using the pictures, we're looking at the words, we're looking for word parts, and we are also using our sounds, but we're reading the beginning, the middle, and the end of the word. We're not just looking at the beginning and guessing. So let's sound out the whole word. Ready? This is the scarf, woolly and red. That's caught in the zipper that's stuck on the jacket I wear in the snow. Oh, what might that be? This is now maybe you thought it was a hat, right? Maybe this is the hat. So now we're going to look at the word parts and see if we're right. This is it can't be hat because it doesn't start with it starts with a st. This is the stocking cap for my head. Stocking cap is a winter cap that matches the scarf, all woolly and red, that's caught in the zipper that's stuck on the jacket I wear in the snow. These are let's see, I thought these were gloves. Gloves would start with a g. Let's see if we're right. Oh, mittens. Yep, beginning, middle, and end. These are the mittens that hang from each arm that I wear with a stocking cap for my head that matches the scarf, all woolly and red, that's caught in the zipper that's stuck in the jacket I wear in the snow. Maybe your teacher has this book and we'll let you read it. It's kind of a fun one, isn't it? Here's another one. Now, what if we think this is a sweatshirt? Let's see if this word looks like that, sounds like that. This is the sweat. Oh, do you think it's sweatshirt? Let's use the beginning, middle, and end. This is the sweater, all itchy and warm, that meets the gloves that hang from each arm, mittens that hang from each arm, that I wear with a stocking cap for my head that matches the scarf, all woolly and red, that's caught in the zipper that's stuck on the jacket I wear in the snow. These are the jeans, stiff in the knee, that go under the sweater, all itchy and warm, that meets the mittens that hang from each arm, that I wear with a stocking cap for my head that matches a scarf all woolly and red that's caught in the zipper that's stuck in the jacket I wear in the snow. These are the boots too big for me, that cover the jeans all stiff in the knee, that go under the sweater all itchy and warm, that meets the mittens that hang from each arm, that I wear with a stocking cap for my head that matches the scarf all woolly and red that's caught in the zipper that's stuck in the jacket I wear in the snow. These are the long, let's read this word all the way through. Underwear. My gosh, look at, we call those long underwear that keep your legs warm. These are the long underwear, bunchy and hot. There's stuff in the boots too big for me that cover the jeans that are stiff in the knee, that go under the sweater all itchy and warm, that meets the mittens that hang from each arm, that I wear with a stocking cap for my head that matches the scarf all woolly and red that's caught in the zipper that's stuck in the jacket I wear in the snow. Oh, goodness. One more. These are the socks, wrinkled a lot. They're pulled all over the long underwear, bunchy and hot. They're stuffed in the boots too big for me that cover the jeans. They're stiff in the knee, that go under the sweater all itchy and warm, that match the mittens that hang from each arm, that I wear with a stocking cap for my head that matches the scarf all woolly and red, that are caught in the zipper that's stuck in the jacket I wear in the snow. And these are the tears that fell from my eyes, that dripped on the socks that were wrinkled a lot, that were pulled over the long underwear all bunchy and hot, that are stuffed in the boots too big for me, that cover the jeans all stiff in the knee, that go under the sweater all itchy and warm, that meets the mittens that hang from each arm, that I wear with a stocking cap in my head that matches the scarf all woolly and red, that are caught in the zipper that's stuck in the jacket I wear in the snow. Boy, this kid is having some problems, aren't they? This is my mother, who heard my cries and wiped the tears from my eyes, and loosened the scarf, woolly and red, and slipped off the stocking cap off my head. And unpinned the mittens that hung from each arm, and unbuttoned the sweater all itchy and warm, then unzipped the boots too big for me, and straightened the jeans all stiff in the knee, and smoothed the long underwear all bunchy and hot, and pulled up the socks that were wrinkled a lot. As she unstuck the zipper of the jacket I wear in the snow. Okay, so boys and girls, a couple things we learned today that are really important for readers. Number one, we read this way across our page so we can get the beginning, middle, and end of a word. We sound it out. We just don't guess from the beginning letter. We use all the letters. We look for word parts like we learned last week. And you can still use the pictures to help you out. So you are getting lots of tools to be great readers. All right, good luck today, boys and girls. Good reading.